Hi everybody, I'm Miss Shani from Rock Tara Academy of Music, and I'm going to tell you how to play Star of County Down from Grade 1, Trinity College, London, Electronic Keyboard course. So here is how we play Star of County Down. So first we are going to set up the style to a retro club beat. I'm going to put the tempo to 122, which is the normal tempo, and the voice is square lead, which is 156 on my keyboard. So the left hand goes like this. So we're going to press an E minor chord like this, E, G and B. For C major, we can put the first finger here and do a C major. I prefer to do C over here, which is the root position, C, E, G. Then another chord is G, D, G, B, an inversion of G major. D major is D, F sharp and A. And apart from this, I don't think there's any other chord. There is just a, dynamic increase of forte. So after bar 16, we have to increase the dynamic with the volume a bit. But here's how the left hand goes. 3, 2, 1, let's go. E minor, C major, E minor, C major, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G2, D2, E minor, 2, C2, D2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G2, D2, E minor, 2, C and E minor. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, D2, 3, 4, E minor and C and D. Fifth increase. E minor, 2, 3, 4, G2, D2, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and G2, 3, 4, D2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, C and D. Last line, E minor, G2, D2, E minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and ending. It automatically stops over here, and here is how the right hand goes. So without the beat, these are how generally you can do the fingers properly. So the B note, you start here. So you start on the B note and you play like this. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So remember, the hand doesn't move too much. First time the finger comes here. Second time the finger moves is here. You can do 1, 2, 2 or 1, 2, 1. Alright, still the hand doesn't move too much, and we go to the B note. 3, 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. This is where the finger moves to the G third finger. 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. And the last time, I think over here is the last finger movement. After this, there's just a repetition. I'll show you how. Again, a repetition. We end on the second finger, and that is it. That's how the entire song is done. And now let's do it together. So watch the two hands go together. I'm going to put the tempo on 100 for you. So we start with the left hand and E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, and E minor, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. And I'm gonna do Star of County Down at 122 beats per minute. Wish me luck, guys. I hope I don't mess up. Go. Let's go. Let's go. Gonna do it again. Let's hit it. And here is how we play Star of County Down. See us in the next video. Bye bye.